Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. We will continue with the basic counting techniques, okay? The permutations. Permutations, you can apply that kind of counting techniques when the order import for the mixes that you will create. For example, here, if you have the case ABC, it's different of ACB, BCA, CAB, CBA, etc. Okay, so in that case the order import, so are different. You need to remember that to apply permutations. Okay, this is the formula for the permutations. Okay, you use the n and r. The n is the number of total of elements, and the r is the number of elements that you can select. So here is factorial of n divided by the rest of n less r factorial. Okay, the factorial, it's a multiplication of one number. For example, if you have the factorial of 4, you need to multiply 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 equals 224. Okay, this is the meaning of the operation of factorial. Okay, we will see an sample here. Suppose that you have I don't know, maybe a computer store, and you have three spaces to show to the customers the kind of computers that you have. And in that case you have 8 types of computers, and you want to know how many different ways you can mix the eight computers. So in that case you can't repeat the same computer. This is important too. And the order imports here. Okay, it's different to mix 1, 2 and 3, and different, for example, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you will use permutations. Okay, you have 8 of computers, the total of the computers, and you can only select 3 of them. This is the formula: 8 factorial of 8 and 8 rest 3 factorial. Okay, there are 336 different ways to mix that computers in these 3 spaces. Okay, there are so many. Now we'll see the combinations. Okay, the combinations is a little different of permutations. Here, the important here is the order does not import. Okay, what it means: for example, ABC is equal to ACB, BCA, CAB, CBA, etc. Okay, so in that case the combinations have less ways to mix the elements. Okay, this is the formula for the combination. It's almost like the permutation, but you have here another r factorial. Okay, sample. For example, in a company, you want to establish a color code to identify the parts of a product. Okay, you will have 3 colors of a total of 7. Okay, one color, it means the part of the factory that was the part. Okay, in that case, okay, the order doesn't import. Yeah, so how many possibilities of colors you can mix? Okay, if in that case the order doesn't matter, does not import, yeah, you need to use combinations. Yeah, if you have 7 colors in total and you can only select 3, yeah, you use the formula factorial of 7 divided by factorial of 3 multiplied by the rest of 7 less 3 factorial. Okay, total is 35 different ways to mix that colors. Okay, now we will see the homework that you will send me. Okay, this is the exercise, the first one. Okay, when Monica, Luz, Manuel, and Angel have entered in a painting competition. Okay, the contest awards are 1,000 for the first place, 500 for the second, and 300 for the last one. Okay, how many ways can the prize be distributed? Okay, in that case the order matters. It's important, the order. Why? Because, for example, if Ruben is the first place, yeah, and Monica the second, and Luz the third, Ruben will get 1,000, and Monica 500, and Luz 300. So it's important in what place got every competitor. Yeah, so in that case the order matters. It's important, the order, so you will use permutations. Yeah, how many competitors do you have? 5. Okay, is all the people that will get into the competition. Okay, now you only can select 3. Yeah, so if you use that formula you get 60 different mix. Okay, how you will do? You will use a table here how you can mix them. Okay, you will use Ruben, yeah, with Monica and Luz. Yeah, but the next one you will use Manuel, yeah, instead of Luz, and the next one you will use Angel or Angel instead of Manuel. Yeah, so you will use 2 and move here, move and change. Okay, the next one you will use Ruben, Luz, and change Monica, change Manuel, and change Angel. Okay, so the next one you will use Ruben, Manuel, Monica, Luz, and Angel. Okay, so if you check here, for every first place you have 12 different mixes. 12 for every one are 60 mixes in total. Okay, so you will create the 60 different ways of the contest. Yeah, the next exercise. Okay, Maria is going to prepare a vegetable salad with lettuce, onion, tomato, asparagus, carrot, potato, olives, and broccoli. Okay, how many ways can the salad be made using only 5 ingredients? In that case, the order doesn't matter or is not important. Why? Because you will mix all the ingredients in the salad. Yeah. So for that case, you will use combinations. Yeah. You use the formula, you get 56 different mixes. So how you will create that different mix? Now, how you can mix all the ingredients here? For example, you will use lettuce, onion, tomato, asparagus, and carrot. Yeah, that. Now you will mix carrot, potato, olives, and broccoli here. Yeah, but the next one. Yeah, I will use until tomato. Yeah, and I will use carrot and mix again potato, olives, and broccoli. Yeah, the next one. The next one. Again, you will use the tree and use potato and only mix that. You will not use the combination with that ingredient because you will jump. Okay, so that's the reason that the combination are less than the permutations. Okay, you will fill that table until 56 different mixes of salad. Okay, see you guys. I will wait for your homework.